Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly unbox the S95F series OLED from Samsung, so stick around. So as you can see, it is a pretty straightforward process. It does have a very heavy pedestal, and if you're opening one that's 65 inches or larger, make sure you have a second person there with you to keep everything steady so that the TV doesn't fall over during the unboxing process. As far as initial impressions go, this has everything we were expecting. It's got an absolutely amazing picture. The sound quality, it's a 4.2.2 channel system, so the sound quality is really nice given how thin the TV is. It comes with the One Connect box, so it's got a lot of great stuff involved here. It does have the matte finish, which I know is going to be a little polarizing for people out there, but we're going to address all that in our overview video, so make sure you stay tuned for that one. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.